So, ladies and gentlemen, I am very pleased to say that we are back into the nearest town. And what a way to end day 2 of the Wild Camping Survival Challenge. Guys, if you haven't checked it out, last video, day 2, we was up on top of the mountain. We made it up there, but we had to come get rescued. And a huge thank you once again to the Cairngorms Rescue Service. Absolutely spot on with their timing. Very reassuring, very professional. And one thing I must say is that they're all volunteers, you know, they don't get paid to do this stuff, saving people like me. No, absolutely, I'm so pleased they come. With running out of battery on my phone and my leg, it was certainly a risk not worth taking. I would have been absolutely screwed. We're gonna take it fairly easy, but we found a nice spot, and we'll be following a river, and we'll be camping on a river island. So yeah, we're continuing from where we left off. I just had to buy another 1 litre plastic bottle just because I left it at the Highland rescue place. Yeah, pretty sleep deprived. Only got 3 hours once I was up on top of the mountain. But look, we're gonna go strong with a few painkillers and good morale. Let's do this. Let me introduce you to day 3 of the Wild Camping Survival Challenge. With a good night's rest and a very special midnight feast, it was time to move away from the small but majestic River Island. And despite waking up in more agony from my sorry leg, I also woke up to some stunning scenery and weather. The warmth of the morning sun glazed over my body and filled me with joy as I marched onwards to the next destination of the 4-day challenge. I have just one more day to go here, and I need to make sure I get the most out of this journey as I possibly can. I'm absolutely thrilled with every moment here in the highlands of Scotland. Day 3 is done, but we still have one last day to go. Stay tuned for the last episode, the grand finale of the Scottish Highland journey, and check out the previous episodes if you haven't already. I've made a playlist for you guys where you can view them all in one. And I'd like to thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time on the channel. Take care.